May hangover pa ng concert, And the performer is...
Tulungan niyo ako,
As if you need it. Diba, Ria? Okay. Ito nga pala yung bird song kanina nung concert. At luckily nakaabot si Phil and super late siya. Diba? Saktong unang pyesa pa lang eh. Para lang merong background. Pagkadating nila Phil, unang pyesa pa lang ng Megalomania. Tama! Nakakataon! Yes! Woo! I hear you on the radio. Woo! You were in my screen. Sometimes, but if I met you in a teaser fight, I cut off both your wings. I'm principal alone. Principal alone. If I were your friend, I'd go to open your eyes, oh, you see, that all of us are heaven sent. Yeah! Woo! There was never meant to be the only one, to be the only one. Para niya. Para daw ulit. Uy, may camera pala dun, oh. Aha! You're no Jesus. You're no Elvis. You're no Jesus. You're no Jesus. You're no Elvis. You're no Step down, step down, step down, step down. BB Brandon.